Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to embed a PDF or pretty much any file type into an actual website page on your Squarespace blog. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to the blog pages and we're going to click on Edit. And here what you're going to do is you're just going to type anything that you want. I'm going to go ahead and type this information here. And then I'm going to highlight it. Basically all I've done is taken the title from one of your blogs and basically given it a name, a PDF. This can say anything whatsoever. It doesn't matter what you have it say. It's just an example of something that you could have it say. If you want, you can have it just say PDF, JPEG, whatever the name of the file is, whatever you think is appropriate. Just all this is giving you a link to it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to press link. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to where it says files. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on a file. So we're going to say add file. We're going to navigate to a particular file. It doesn't matter what it is. In this particular case, I have converted one of your blog pages into a PDF. And we're going to go ahead and upload it. Let it do its thing. And then you'll see over here it's done uploading. Now this is pretty critical. What I'd like you to do here is go ahead and click this. What this little option does here is it makes sure that the page is not loaded inside the actual page that you're in and makes it open up a new window. That's kind of appropriate so that people don't lose track of where they're at. They can always know that they can just keep on going where they're at, and it allows them to look at it. Now what I'd like to do here is I'd like to go over this a little bit. If you click here, you can just go ahead and press the pencil, and that will allow you to change the name of the document. It takes the name of the document from the actual file itself. And then if you want, you can press this little X. And what this X does, it asks you, would you like to delete the file? Understand that these files are actually stored in here. So this is kind of like where your files are stored. So if you delete it, it's not going to be able to be a link. And here you can see, you can search for the ones that you want. And also you can bounce around, and here you can have an external link, here you can have an actual content link. This is all examples of how to do this, but focusing on what we're trying to accomplish here, this is how you link a PDF to your website. Now from here, this is not very intuitive. Just click off of your page from where you're at, and then turn around and come down here and press save. And now if you notice that when I highlight over these words, they turn into a hyperlink. And then when I click on it, it opens up into a new link and it gives you your document just like you wanted. And you can just read the entire thing. This is something you might try to do because this stuff is going to be automatically embedded in your RSS feed. And so if people want to download this, this is a nice clean way of viewing your content. Now, if you notice, this information has stripped away all of your graphics. There's no graphics on there whatsoever. It is nothing more than your actual text. That's just how I created it. So however you create it is how it's going to look for you. So I hope that makes sense, and that's all I have for now.